In this video, we are going to take a look into a tool which will help you to do an accurate keyword research. What I mean by that, it will help you to do keyword research for your global, nationally, state-wise, city, and also it have over 13 different data sources for your keyword, and also all the competition analysis and all the data it collects happens in real time. So if you are interested in that, and this video is for you. Hi guys, I'm Alston. Before I go into showcasing this product, there are a couple of things. First, I have managed to get 20% discount, recurring discount as an exclusive partner for this tool. So if you want to check it out, the link will be on the description. It will contain both an affiliate and non-affiliate link. You can choose whatever the link you want. If you choose the affiliate link, I will get a small commission. It does not affect your purchase, but it will help me to create more videos like this. So, and also another one main thing is, this is just a quick overview. I have done an in-depth walkthrough with full tutorial, everything, which is gone up to 45 minutes. So if you are interested in more in-depth one, I will link the video also in the description. You can check out that version if you want. Okay, without further ado, now let's directly jump into the system. This is the Get Keyword dashboard. It is really minimalistic. All you need to do is enter whatever the keyword you want. For example, you can see I am trying out various different keyword. Let's say, for example, I'm going to do best drone, and we have the option to choose whatever the keyword data source we want. For example, do we want keywords from Google Adwords or related keywords, or Google suggest from search engines, question keywords, deep LSI, or keywords from YouTube, Amazon, eBay, and AdWords suggestions. These are the tools which not we are searching by the keyword. Instead, if we click here, rather than entering a keyword, we can enter a URL, and based on that URL, it will try to gather a suggestion from AdWords, related keywords, organic keywords by domain, paid keywords by domain, all this crazy stuff, PPC this one is. And you can also have the option to bulk upload it. For example, you have found several thousand keywords or hundreds of keywords from another source, or you already have an existing database and you want to do bit more analysis on that, then you can copy paste the entire keyword. They support up to 10,000 keywords, so you can copy everything and come here and paste it, and it will not generate any suggestions, but it will show all the metrics, competition values, data for the keywords you are entered. In this case, lastly, we also have the keyword list, where you can save the keyword list if you found anything while you are searching, and come back to another time to do more searching on that. Okay, now I'm going to showcase you one thing. For example, here I'm going to do best drone, let me say. And I have a couple of options. Either I can do a global search which targets the worldwide audience, or I can do a country search, for example United States or something like that, or I can go for a state, New York. Let's say go for a state. Let me spell it correctly. You can see I can even go to a state, or we can do a city also. So they have a lot more option for us. You can see I can show you a city which I know. You can see Colombo. So it's showing you all the things. So based on what you want to do this research for particular location, you can do. In this case, I'm going to choose a country, and we also have the option to select the language we want to do it. For example, instead of English, I want to do in Spanish, and I can choose the Spanish language, something like that. Choose whatever the language you want. Let me change it back to English since I don't understand Chinese. Let's click on search. When you click on search, it does not get results from your cache database, where it might have inaccurate data, or it might not just getting the data from one source. What happens in the background is it goes out and collects data from all the different sources in real time and try to present the most accurate data for you. So it's getting all this data from all the different sources and trying to get it in a single source to showcase everything for you. Let's wait for a bit so I can show it to you. This is a bit turn off because it takes kind of like 2 to 10 seconds, and based on that it can, but the developers are aware of it and they will try to are saying that they are planning to try to improve it. So by the time you check out this video, you might see this is really faster. So you can see as soon as I enter, first thing it shows out of these searches, for 9600 searches average month, what is the percentage is coming from desktop and what is the percentage is coming from mobile device. We also get the top location results, where we can see what are the out of this city country, what are the top locations state wise the searches are coming from. For you can see for best drone, the California gets the most searches with 14%. We also see the top advertiser in PPC on Google, which they are trying to get rank on the keyword. So we can do this and we can see the total monthly spend they are spending. What we can do is we can either just copy paste this and go into paid keywords by domain, and we can paste that and we can see all the keywords which they are targeting in PPC. So that is a near cool hack. We also get the top questions here related to keyword which we just entered. It will show you all the different questions your target audience are interested. You can use this for a lot of things, and especially this is good if you want to get featured on featured snippets in Google, or get ranked on people ask questions. These also generally make good subheadings like H2 heading, H3 headings in your article. You can create supporting content a lot more. You can download this list by year, and below that we have the related keywords table, where you can, that is a major part of one of the major part of this tool, where it shows all the suggestions which you just entered for your keyword. It shows you can add to a list. This is where I said you can select whatever the keywords you want, click on add to list and select, or create a new list and you can add it to the list, or you can export it in a CSV or PDF, or you can just copy paste everything to a clipboard and you would got everything in a clipboard. You can do that. And there is an also option to filter it. For example, there are a lot of it. I don't want to take a look into everything. I just want to filter it. In that case, you can set a minimum value, search volume for month. We can set a CPC value, PPC, number of competitor, minimum keyword difficulty if you include it, or if you just want to have keywords which include certain keywords, you can enter it by comma. For example, kids 2020, something like that, and you can enter it similarly. And if you want to have all these keywords present, you can click and, or you can present, or if you want only one of these keyword to be present, after that you can select the excluded keyword here. If you want to have a specific number of words in your keywords, then you can mention it here, for example 3, and you can select enable filter or none. When I click on set filter, now it will filter all the search queries and only bring the queries with the keywords which I have just included. You can see everything got removed, but you don't worry, you can always get back. For example, you can change the filter here, or you can just click on reset and everything clears away, so you get the original results back. So that is the related keywords screen. Whenever you click on something, you will see all the search volume, CPC data, PPC, all these things, and also it will give you a general average competition score as well. So you can quickly use this to get a brief idea on what are the potential. If you see something like that, what you need to do is you need to click on it and click on search. It will do it for some keywords. It will ask you redo it again. And you can see if I click on any of this, it should generate the keyword competition score here. Let's wait for it to load it. What happens is it goes into a real-time data, gather all these URLs and do the research and everything. That is the cool thing about this tool. They don't take the results from a cache. Instead, they do everything in real time to get the most accurate data. We also have the option where we can have it will show whether the exact match domain for this keyword is available. This is not a huge factor because currently in recent time Google has gotten smarter with exact match domain, but it still works and gives some benefit when you are in a low competition niches or in foreign marketers and keywords, all this. So it does play some fact, and if you find something exact match domain, you can see the data here. For example, what are the domains available, it will show you. This is the average difficulty. It takes all the top 10 and analyze the difficulty to get it. This is a search trend data. You can have the search trend data by 1 year, 2 year, 3 year, 4 years, up to 4 years. And also another cool thing is it will show you if I hover over it, for example December 2016, the clicks was 80k and without clicks 22k. What that means is not everyone who searches for this query clicks on a search results. They got their purpose fulfilled without even visiting to any website. So it gives you a brief indicator on to suggest you how many people are willing to likely to click your links, search results and everything. So it shows you the data as well. Here it shows the total index for this keyword on Google, and here it shows the bounce rate, like how many percentage of people is just typing in this query on Google and just exiting without doing any more other than that. So it shows the bounce rate. It also shows you organic click. This is a good metric, because when your organic click-through percentage is higher, that means more number of people are clicking on your organic results instead of a PPC ad. So if you found a search query, for example, like when you type something and you found just a 20 or 15% organic click, what that means is very few number of peoples out of this total volume is actually clicking on the organic results, and most of them are clicking on your shopping results or PPC, all these things. So even though if you have 20,000 or 100,000 and if you are they are only clicking 10%, then you are essentially not going to get search traffic from that 20,000, only for that 10% of that. So that is good. And this is another feature. It will show in the top first page of the result. It will show whether that have any additional snippets, for example, like people ask, top ads, featured snippet, all these crazy advanced functionality. If they have any additional snippets, it will show it here. And here is the part where it shows the deep analysis for each keyword we selected. For example, it shows the URL which ranks on the top 10 results, in this case 7, okay, 8, and it will show you, rather than the traditional way of showing domain authority, page authority, trust score, all this stuff, what they have done is they have taken the metric bit differently. What it will show you is for this site, what are the total number of keywords they are ranking. You can see this is a big site. They are ranking for over 1.41 million keywords. And what is the monthly traffic they are getting? So 2.13. Similarly, you can see this is the lowest one is this one, where they are getting 34,001k and traffic 110k. So this is the close. So rather than getting PADA to measure the competition, these guys are focused on ROI metrics, where you can measure keyword potential or the competition based on the total number of keywords they have, total number of traffic they are receiving, and total number of backlinks they have. You can see all these are crazy amounts. So you will get keyword ranking, keyword average monthly traffic, number of backlinks, and this is a social metric to see how much the social presence they have on Facebook. For example, you can see all these for this particular URL they have 520 shares, 286, only this one doesn't have any shares. So all these things are shown. And here finally on page metric, it is a vital on-page metric, shows whether that exact match keyword is in the title or not. For example, all these URLs have the exact match on the title. This one doesn't have. The cool another little act with this is when you click on load more, rather than just seeing the result for whatever the 1 to 10 results, now we can go beyond the first page and see other results on the next page, third page, all these things. So you can see I just clicked, now I'm able to see number 11 result, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17. As much as you want, you can keep clicking on it, so it will keep on expanding the result. So that is the basic overview of Getkeywords. If you have any doubts, I would encourage you to check out my in-depth video on that, so you can get more quick idea on that. Everything is covered there. And if you still have any doubt, feel free to contact me through my Facebook group or in the video comment, and I will make sure to help you personally. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.